Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the quickest one, it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me get back, and since we couldn't find the serial number using a secret code, we can enter it using the settings. It will be also useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings here. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And here let's enter the status. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if we want to check the serial number, it appears right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.